The Great Barrier Reef, one of the world's most famous coral reef systems, is located in which country? The correct answer is number A, Australia. Which country is known for its iconic kangaroos and koalas? The correct answer is number C, Australia. The Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world, is primarily located in which country? The correct answer is number D, Brazil. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? The correct answer is number A, Brazil. The Great Wall, one of the world's most famous landmarks, is located in which country? The correct number is number B, China. The Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, are situated in which country? The correct answer is number A, Egypt. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? The correct answer is number D, Iceland. The famous monument Taj Mahal is located in which country? The correct answer is number A, India. Which country is known as the Cradle of Civilization? The correct answer is number C, Iraq. The ancient city of Rome is located in which country? The correct answer is number A, Italy. Which country is famous for its cherry blossoms? The correct answer is number B, Japan. Which country is famous for its wildlife and is home to the Maasai Mara National Reserve? The correct answer is number A, Kenya. The city of Marrakech, known for its vibrant markets and historic architecture, is located in which country? The correct answer is number D, Morocco. Which country is home to the tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest? The correct answer is number A, Nepal. Which country is famous for its tulip fields and windmills? The correct answer is number C, Netherlands. Which city is known as the Big Apple? The correct answer is number A, New York City. Which country is famous for its fjords, northern lights and Viking heritage? The correct answer is number D, Norway. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? The correct answer is number A, Norway. Which city is the capital of Canada? The correct answer is number B, Ottawa. In which city would you find the famous landmark, the Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is number A, Paris. Which city is considered the fashion capital of the world? The correct answer is number D, Paris. The ancient archaeological site of Machu Picchu is located in which country? The correct answer is number A, Peru. The iconic statue Christ the Redeemer is located in which city? The correct answer is number C, Rio de Janeiro. The Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater, is located in which city? The correct answer is number A, Rome. Which is the largest country in terms of land area? The correct answer is number B, Russia. Which city is famous for its canal system and gondolas? The correct answer is number A, Venice. Which continent is the largest in terms of land area? The correct answer is number B, Asia. Which country is known as the Emerald Isle? The correct answer is number B, Ireland. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is number B, Japan. The famous painting Mona Lisa is displayed in which city? The correct answer is number D, Paris.